In example 4, part E, they've asked us to find g prime of f of 7. So first, I guess we need to find out what f of 7 is. Let's go back to our graph. So f is my piecewise linear function, and so f of 7 would be 5. That was the point that we just used a moment ago. So 5 is going to be the value for f of 7. So let's rewrite this then as g prime of 5. Going back to the graph, we can see that g prime is our cubic function, and at 5 we appear to have a point of inflection. So let's see what we can do here. And the y value that corresponds to that point of inflection seems to be about 3.5. So one point that we will be using is 5, 3.5. And that's my point of inflection. Alright, let's go back to the graph. And let's see if we can find a line that is passing tangent to the curve through the point of inflection. Alright. That looks pretty good. So we have this 0.5, 3.5, and it looks like we're very close to this 0.72. So let's use that. So this is going to be g prime of x is equal to, and let's go ahead and make a note of that second point. That was 7, 2. And again, I'm really just going to be applying my slope formula here. So this is going to be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And this will be negative 1.5 on top with 2 on the bottom. And if we simplify this as a fraction, we don't want to have decimals in the numerator. If I multiply top and bottom by 2, that will give me a negative 3 on top. That gets rid of my decimal. And then on the bottom we have a 4. So negative 3/4 is going to be the slope of the line passing through that point of inflection, 5, 3.5.